Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas LawPrep. In the series of NLU Vacant Seats, today we have come up with a new NLU which has released the notification of vacant seats. It's nothing but NLUJA Assam. So what are the details, where to find the details, how to apply, all those things we'll explain the detail. So in the Google, simply search NLU Vacant Seats 2026. A dedicated page from Abhyaas LawPrep will be appearing on top. Simply click on the link, a page will be opened which has the list of all the vacant seats. In this just look into the NLUJA Assam. So a link is available here. Just click on this link. A dedicated Google form from NLU Assam portal will be available. So here, apply for admission. Click on this so that you can be directed to the dedicated page. So the details, they did not mention any number of seats here. So for BA LLB program, they did not mention any number of seats. But in future or any seats are available, if you apply through that portal only, then your candidates will be accepted. So number of seats not available. The last date is June 10th 5 p.m. and the result will be available on June 11. And if you are a general candidate, the application fee for all the unreserved candidates is 750 rupees and the application fee for reserved candidates is 500 rupees. So these are the details available and no number of seats available, but there are seats within Assam which may not be disclosed. So if you apply, if you did not get any allocation through CLAT consortium, so you can always apply for NLUJA Assam. So for more updates, you can always stay tuned to Abhyaas LawPrep, and immediately when an NLU releases vacancies notification, we'll be releasing it immediately. So stay tuned. All the best. Bye-bye.